Hi guys. Remember singing Rosetta even though singing Rosetta might not upload it. I made a sound effect, a gun sound.
Oh my gosh. No. Sis,
I'm still not introducing the game to her.
maybe next episode.
Nope. So long. Undertale fan out. And don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. And don't forget to comment if you like my videos. Goodbye.